Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by putting on your Apple Watch Ultra and unlocking it. This ensures the device responds to touch. Next, swipe down from the top of the watch face to reveal Control Center. This gives you quick access to audio controls. Make sure your paired iPhone or Bluetooth headphones are nearby because audio routing can change where volume adjusts. If you plan to control watch audio directly, keep accessories disconnected for now. Once done, locate the volume slider icon among the Control Center tiles so you can act quickly. Tap the volume tile to reveal the on-screen slider. This visual feedback helps you judge loudness. Then rotate the digital crown to increase or decrease volume in fine increments, which is faster and more precise than tapping. If you prefer larger jumps, tap near the slider and points to snap to higher or lower presets. Make sure to listen briefly after each adjustment because haptics and perceived loudness differ. This helps you set an appropriate comfortable level without overshooting. Finally, test your setting by playing a short sound or a song directly from the watch so you can confirm real-world loudness. If the volume won't change, make sure Do Not Disturb or a volume limiter isn't active. Go to Settings and inspect sound and haptics. If problems persist, toggle Bluetooth or restart the watch to clear temporary glitches. If that still fails, unpair then repair the watch as a last resort. This resets software connections and usually resolves persistent audio routing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.